Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Prayash Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive prints on Zari border tussar, and these are all on discount price. There is a 10 to 15% discount on each sari. On buying of single there is a 10% discount, on buying of two or above there is a 15% discount. So let's display. Sir, the print as you can see it's abstract painting all over the sari, and the chocolate palla border with BP. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is the all over look. The price of these sarees are 5,700, and it's after discount it's coming 5,100. So there is a 10% discount on these sarees. This is the palla and BP, and it's again a Firoza border palla BP, and the base color it's off white. It's a natural tussar color with the peacock feather design. So just have a look. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is all over same. Just see the color combination. So it's a multicolored feather line which comes all over, and the blouse. This is the BP comes with the sari, and it's a green. The base color it's a green with the hand block discharge print. The color as you can see it's a off-white outline with the Rani discharge. So just have a look. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is the all over look of the, and just have a look. So this is the border, and all over body it's a paisley design. The all over look of the sari, and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. Sari number 4, and the base color as you can see it's a cement color Shivli full design all over with the Rani print. So this is the all over look. I'll show you the detailing of this print. It's all over same palla and BP. So blouse piece comes with the sari. Combination of black and peach with a scarred border design. So just have a look. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is the scarred part design. I'll show you the detailing of this print. It's actually a painting. So this is the which will come to the skirt, palla and BP. This is another peacock feather design in different combination. So the color as you can see it's a royal blue, Firoza and mustard yellow we have used. So this is half and half. I'll show how it will look. So this is the palla of the sari. So the first half will remain like this, and the second half it's like this. So this will come to this pleats, and this is all over palla, and BP is there. So this is a blouse piece comes with the sari. So this is another combination of blue and Firoza with the polka dot design. So just have a look. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is all over polka dot design. These are all silk mark certified. So BP comes with the sari. This is another kalamkari print. It's all over same print. It's all kalamkari jal print. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is all over look. I'll show you the detailing of this. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is again the kalamkari print with the corner to corner pattern. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is the rising pallu design. And BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. Now let's move to the Vishnupuri Katan silk. So this is the dual tone. It's a peach and pink dual tone mix, and just see the palla of the sari, and just have a look. So this is the skirt border design with the figure motifs, and on the body there is a brush effect. This is the palla, and BP is there. 3D Katan silk with the pallu stripe, multicolor stripe. So just have a look. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is the all over look. As you can see the color combination is a mustard yellow, green and lemon yellow with the multicolored stripe pallu, and it's a hand block discharge print, and the BP is also contrast. So this is the BP comes with the sari, multicolor shaded, and the pallu is striped, and all over body it's a hand painting. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is again a rising hand painting. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. In a hand painting on Katan silk. So this time it's a partly pallu design. The pallu, as you can see, it's a checkered pallu. And just have a look. So this is the body checkered, and the pleats will remain as palla. It's a checkered partly pallu design. So this is the look of the sari. And BP is there. So this is blouse piece comes with the sari. This is a sari number 1, and as you can see, it's a hand block kalamkari print. The color combination, as you can see, it's a black outline with the rani yellow and green. How it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over print. Just have a look. And BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. This is a sari number 2, and it's a combination of grey and red with the tulip design. So this is the pallu of the sari. Just have a look. So it's a rising design from skirt till shoulder, and the BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. Sari number 3, and it's a combination of navy and royal blue. As you can see, the border is a royal blue, and the body, the base color, it's a deep navy blue with the floral discharge print. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. And blouse is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Number 4, and again it's a hand block discharge print on the skirt, and the pallu is a multicolor shaded. The combination, as you can see, it's a froza, grey, orange and mustard yellow. So this is the pallu of the sari, and all over look. So the pallu of the sari, and blouse is full printed. So this is a combination of red and the deep navy blue, the base color, with the leaf design, which will come to the pallu and shoulder. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the design. I'll show you the detailing of this painting. So this will come to the skirt, palla and blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is a combination, as you can see, it's a shaded block. The color is a shaded, it's a shades of green and shades of grey is there with the black palla border. This is the pallu of the sari, and all over look. Just have a look. I'll show you the detailing of this print, and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. So this is the kalamkari print. As you can see on the pallu, there is a 2 peacock motifs with the multicolor, and all over body jal print. So the base color, it's a mustard yellow with the brown border. So this is the palla, and this is all over look. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. It's a very nice color combination, and blouse is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Now let's move to another one. So this is again a hand block print, and it's a half and half. It's a green with yellow. So I'll just show how it will look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the yellow which comes with the pleats. So how it will look. This is a half and half. This portion will come to the pleats, and this is the all over body, and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. And so this is again a hand block print with the overlapping print. The shades you can see, it's a mustard yellow, afroza, grey. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is the print. I'll show you the detailing of this print. सामने आओ ना, जैसे देखा हाँ. So this is the overlapping print. It's a, as you can see, there's a temple design block all over, and palla is there. So this is a BP comes with the sari. So this is a combination of pink and the base color is a black with the discharge print all over. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is the all over look. I'll show you the detailing of this print. Thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please follow our page to get updates of our new collections, offers and discount. COD facilities available only in Central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. So thank you so much, and keep share the video.